Why my stream is not streaming? Huh? Come on. Boy. Boy. Oh, it's working. So what is the plan of my ship? Developing, running. Okay. No. You back to your old game? Yeah, this one. Because I want to make it fast, I want to release it fast, I want to make content fast. And with the last game, it will not be that fast. So, back to my old game, boy. And I already made little bit progress of the stream. I made little bit progress of the stream. So now look what you can do. This is for the testing purposes. So look, when you are drawing, time is slowed. You're doing the fucking slashings. Damn, boy. And a little bit enemy AI. Yeah. So we can start developing the shit. So first, I need this one. Slide movement should be starting at middle of screen, not from any point. That's my first point. Because right now, look, if I click, for example, here, it is drawing already. And it is not nice. And also I want to play out with this one, because I want to mean point distance, I want to put 5, for example. So you could do some like these drawings and it will be really fast and more efficient. But then if you want to draw here, like from here to here, it is not that simple. Yeah, like here, yeah. So I think 2 is the most optimal one, because you can draw it like this. Or even 1.5. Yeah, and it is most optimal way. Like, yeah. I'll optimize it afterwards. So right now it is good. Because look, when it is time slowed. Yeah, it is not that smooth, but it is time slowed. Now. So we start with our first point. Here we go. So we have already enemy movement, which is kinda well structured. Now I want to update the slide movement. So first of all, slide movement should always start when user first clicks on player here object. That now it is stuck. Starting doesn't affect where you click. But the problem is that it is not mouse, it is a touch. So you have to touch it. Yeah, I will change it afterwards. Right now let it be mouse for the testing purposes. And what have you done? Is click on player manager. Oh, good. So now it means, for example, come on. That means camera will raycast at the player, and if I click here, it will not work. But if I click from here, it will work. So it means I can now only draw from user like this, like oink. If you get bored of making a game and Valorant, I have a game you could try. Which game? You tell me. Maybe I will try. And now... And now I need controllers time... No, where the fuck I put the player? I think it's on the player. Fight mode. Yeah, player controller. So now, whenever I am drawing, I'm not allowed to use the... Not the fight mode, let's call it the other way. Where is the player controller? It is not fight mode, it's more like a draw. Let's call it fight mode. Okay, let's call it draw mode. So, the framer was replaced. The farmer was replaced. What? What the fuck is this? Oh, fucking Python. Oh, I kinda like this idea of the game. Maybe I will try it, because I like the idea of the game. Yeah, I fucking love this game, because it teaches you from the game. Like, from the fucking... Yeah, boy. I like this one. Yeah, it really teaches you how to code. I really like it. I like those kind of games. Yeah, I think this will be the first one, like the only one. So that's the one. Start drawing is draw mode true. And end drawing will be in draw mode false. So basically what it means, I cannot test it right away, but it means that whenever user is drawing from the right thumb, for example, you cannot click it here. But it is the problem like this, like, yeah, it's also the problem. Look, he was fucking spinning around. And look, this guy is chasing me until he doesn't see me. Yeah, that guy is kind of slow and his line of sight is not that big, but if I go really fast and I go around him, yeah, he's losing me. Yeah, I don't care. For me, it's basically school exercise. What do you mean in the school they gave you this game for exercising? No way. Or you mean it is so easy that it's just a school exercise? I'm gonna fucking die from my nose. Oh no, be right back. I need fucking paper. I need fucking paper. I got fucking paper. Yeah, boy. Now I can do very bad thing. Oh. Oh, much better, boy. Much fucking better, boy. It's kinda easy from the start, but it gets a lot harder, yeah. Exactly. That's the point of the game. And the programming. Programming is actually easy at the beginning, hard at the medium, again easy when you understand everything, and again hard because you have to start over again. Like start over, I mean to learn something new, not to sit in one place. And the cycle continues. You will never learn programming fully, never, impossible. At least not in this evolution point of the humanity. Okay, those two tasks are done right now. Yep, exactly. So those two tasks are done. So actually I can move even with my joystick. Like I can move with this guy and I can move like this. No. Like languages. No, not the languages I mean. Like if you learn, for example, if you learn the Rust, you learn Python and you learn JavaScript, those three. You can say that you could learn every single other language very easily. Very easily. And why I say exactly three? Because, for example, if you learn only the hardest one, Rust, what will be the scenario? You will know the hard, how to say it, how deeply the computer works, what you should understand and how you should understand it. And when you switch to the Python with that knowledge, Python handles all of it by itself. And you'll be very confused. Like, where should I put this memory pointer? And there will be no pointers in Python. And when you learn Python and Rust, you'll be like easy and hard. And you will little struggle to understand the medium one. Like JavaScript, TypeScript. Okay, let's say TypeScript. And if you learn all those three, for example, you will achieve the point where you can learn every single language very easily. Because at that point, the languages will have very little difference for you. Like if you take C++ or Rust and C++ are very similar. If you take the Python and I don't know, fucking Django, for example, it's exactly the fucking Python, or JavaScript, it's almost the Python because it is very easy. That's why I said the TypeScript, because TypeScript forces you to use the types. Should I also start stream on the TikTok? I will actually start also on TikTok. Maybe it will go on. No. I hope my PC will handle this, all of this shit. And it will not blow up. Yeah, but there still is like 8K languages. I don't know, I saw you on YouTube. Oh, yeah. On YouTube, yeah, I'm also streaming on YouTube. Just, I'm scared of my PC blowing up. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. 8K languages. Like, if you're not fucking learning the languages, like, I don't remember the name, but literally you're writing in language like this. Like, this is literal language. Like, this has some meaning in that language. And it is, no, don't do it. It's just a fucking brain killer or something, brain rot, or something like the name of the language. But it is actual language. It is not used, but it's language. Yeah. So what I was doing, so I have two choices. So first, let's open up the paint. Oh my god, my PC is already blowing up. Let's open up the fucking paint. So first, I can do the fucking visuals of trail. Visuals of the trail. That's the first one I can do. Second one, I can already start implementing the fighting system. So, which one should I do? That's the question. Hanzo, you decide. Don't ask about my name. Patrick! Hello, Patrick. Login to begin what? Login on TikTok. Can I log in on TikTok? Continue. My PC bugged out. Did you ask me something? No. I said hello, Patrick. I said hello, Patrick. How are you, Patrick? Oh, this shit is annoying. Oi, boy. Yeah, probably my fucking game will fucking blow up. Fuck. Before I go live, I have to adjust some things. Topic, let's make it... what the fuck is this? Animal, art, food, news, learn. Let's make it learn. Fuck you. Terrifying silvers. Developing running spec. Yes, what about you? I'm good to take you, just... Yes, another game developer. Moderators learn. Okay, good. And super fun one shot. No. Go live. I hope it will not blow up. I really hope it will not blow up. Опаляда. Oh! Ah. So what do you think, Hanzo? Which one should I start with? Oh, I'm so fucking sick. Okay, I hate YouTube. Back to Twitch. Okay. Start visual. Oh, goddamn, boy. Visual of trail. Okay, let's start it then. Visuals player. And lots of the slide of player. How the fuck I'm gonna get the player? That's the good question. Oh, no, 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 no. Let's go to the Meshi IO. I think that's Meshi IO. AI. Yeah, this one. But if I'm gonna use this one, he will fucking blow up my PC. Text to 3D. Can I see these guys? Oh my fucking god. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Holy shit. Look at this. Yep. This shit is messed up. Yeah, this is messed up. Turn off TikTok then lol. Ah no, it is not lagging. Not because of TikTok. It is lagging. It is not lagging. It's. I mean, like, you see, it's black. It should not be that way. It means that this model is not optimized. Even this pickaxe. If I take this pickaxe, yeah, this is like, yeah, it is much better than it was doing before, but it is also not that optimized. But let's take this one. Yeah, boy. This is a bullshit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a fucking mesh here. Yeah, fuck this shit. Okay, so I need visuals of trails. I'm gonna do fucking Blender shit afterwards, because I have to learn some things. So, visuals of the trail. How do I fucking imagine it? Imagine like I'm the fucking cylinder, like fucking this guy. So, I'm the fucking player, this one. And I want to dash, for example, like this. Okay, let's make it like this, so you can see it. Let's make fucking straight line for the beginning. And how do I imagine this? I want to make it like... it's bad example. Still bad one. Can I? Yeah. Bomba. Probably I can't. Where the fuck is the... Ah, here it is. Yeah, this bullshit. So, let's imagine it is the fucking trail. I want to go from this point to this point. Like this. I want to go like this. And what I want to make, I want to add some kind of ink style. Ink style, I mean, it doesn't have that. Maybe fucking TikTok. Can I fucking turn off the hotkeys? Use hotkeys, thank you. So, what I want to do actually, Japanese ink style. For example, let's take the images and let's take inspiration. So I want to make some kind of like this style, you see, like this, exactly like this, you see, like trail. And No, this one is too how to say, two papers. Like you can understand the paper there. Even here. But here, like this, like look, this is fucking amazing. You see, this is fucking amazing. Don't tell me it's fucking 3D. Don't you fucking tell me it's fucking 3D. Oh my fucking god. Yo, this is sick. This is so sick. Yo, this is so fucking sick. Where the fuck am I? Oh, yeah. Imagine whole game looking like this. Imagine like your whole game looks like this. It will be so fucking sick. Yeah, I kinda understand how he made it. It is not that hard. But it is very big routine to do. Yo, this sick boy. I think I choose too difficult fucking style. How do I make it though? I have no idea. That's what I have to find out. Let's go to fucking Photopea. Maybe it will work out. So basically what I want to do. New project, let's make it Instagram, I don't know, some things. And let's find some brushes. Brush tool. And default. Here we have some default shit. Which I can already make some things, but... What if I want to have more? No. How the fuck I'm gonna make it? I kinda don't like this. Can you just boink? Thank you. And I need a little bit more space, so... How the fuck are you doing it? Ah, it has a fucking... Okay, I'm not gonna mess with this up. I think I already messed up. Yeah, no, okay, I don't care. The first effect you did was actually kinda okay. You mean this one? This one. Like, imagine you have the guy, like, oh, give me the fucking shaping tools, I don't have it. Imagine this is the guy, like, okay. Yippee, he's very happy. He has a fucking sword. And he wants to dash fucking here, like this. And like the blend mode, you mean the dissolve, is this one? You mean this one? Dissolve. And like, how the fuck I'm gonna make it? Like, I want to dash from... Okay, let's first of all mark the fucking points from where I want to dash. Let's say I'm gonna dash from here to here. How the fuck I'm gonna make it? Like, first of all, the straight, okay, almost straight line, like this. And it will be like something like curved around it. Something like this. And another curve which will be from the opposite way. But it looks like fucking railgun, not the fucking dash. It looks like a fucking railgun. I know how to make it. So first of all, I need the points. So how do you say it? Not the points, but what the fuck is this? No. What the fuck is this? No. What is this? Yeah, kind of. Oh, like this. I kinda like it. So, actually, I'm gonna make something like this. So first of all, there will be a straight line with this shader, let's say call it shader, and there then will be little bit different in the color, little bit. Like it is not noticeable, but you can see it. Like little bit, just little bit, like, yeah. So this will be the first line, and there will be 2 or 3 separate lines. წადივალო რეებს ხატავ რა ჩალიჩ ბიჭო. თამაშს ვაკეთებ ზმა. And there will be like lines following up like this. And it will be animated. Like this first line, the second line, and it will give you some kind of animation. Like it will be cycling around this one. So something like this. It will be more like fucking this than this. Yeah, like this will be. რა თამაშს აკეთებ ნიკა? ბატონო ნიკა. ბიჭო. აი, შეხედე. ეს არის პროტოტიპი რა, ასე ვთქვათ რა. უღამი არის ის, რომ mobile თამაში იქნება. და თემა ის არის, რომ კარგი სამურაი ხარ და დემონები უნდა დაჭრა რა. და მარტივად რო ვთქვათ. და მექანიკა აქვს თავარი და ვიზუალი რა, როგორ დაჭრი და როგორ იმუშავებ, რომ პირობითად მოძრაობა თუ გინდა ვინმე რო დაჭრა, ან მოუგო მოწინააღმდეგეს, ხაზავ რა რეალურად შენ ტრაექტორიას. და მაგ დროში აი აგ როგორც უყურებ, დრო არის შენელებული რა, რომ რეალურად შეძლო. და ოპა, აუშვებ თუ არა დაჭრის ყველას, ესე ვთქვათ. და ახლა მაგის ლოგიკას წერა რა. ოპა. აბა. საინტერესოა რა. Okay, so I think idea is done. Like there will be actually 4 lines. And first line will be this way. Thank you for likes. Thank you. And second line will be like this way. Third line will be like this way. And fourth line will be like also this way. And it will give you some kind of animation of the dash and the impact. საღამოსკენ ვალო მოცხოთ. ბაზარ ვარემ, საღამოსკენ დავიღლები და შეიძლება ვალორანტიც ვითამაშოთ. Yeah. Now the problem is that I have to code it. I have to fucking code the drawing. How the fuck am I gonna do it? I don't want to make AI. I don't want to make this guy do it because I want to learn it. Let's go. So first of all, I know there is some kind of trail renderers. Like, look, here's my fucking boop. Let's call him boop. Mr. Bean. So let's create a line render effects. Trail. There's a trail. Yeah. And let's reset its position so I can actually see it. And look, what trail does, it does it. Like you can see actually the trail. But right now, It is not that well, yeah. So first of all, I have to give it the texture. Okay, let's start with the YouTube tutorial. Where the fuck is it? Oh my god, I have so much tabs here. Not this one. This one. Tong tong tong. So, Unity Trails. Okay. I don't want to hear you. Thank you. Just show me. Where is fucking speed here? Look at this.
After that, add trail render component. Look, if you move object like me, behind it a trail draws.
Yeah.
You can change size of ground trail from this section. If you want to change end of trail, double click on end of this line, and it will create one new point. Now, if you drag the point down a bit and move object a little, thickness of trail decreases.
Oh, that's exactly what I need. So look. Where the here. Add key, and let's move it here. And now, oh my god, that's exactly what I need. But I need actually a little bit less width. You see? Opa! It already does something. Auto destruct. No, don't destruct yourself. Timer will do, let's make it 1. And now it will be much faster. Yes. I can even make it like a 0.5. 0.5 will be okay, I think. Yeah, look. And now already, if I assign this to the player, for example, if I add the visual body, trail, and if I start it, it will already work. It will already do something. Yeah. You see, like, for example, if I do this, it already does something, you see? And if I, for example, oh, it already does something, Hanzo, it already does something. Like, it's also the trail, by the way. Oh, wow. Yeah, I will just remove this trail. Okay, so what I want to do. Okay, let me code it. Let me code it before I do it. Update drawing, slide movement, and was released end drawing, and now slide along the path. Okay. I have no idea where the fuck is it, so I'm just gonna remove trail after user releases. Oh, you want the trail, not the path? Yeah, same shit. Almost same shit. Path is the, yeah. I'm not gonna explain it. Fuck. I'm too lazy to explain it. Why are you not working? I'm fucking cold, working. Thank you. Okay, it was removed actually. And now look at the way. Look at the dude. And now let's see. Okay. Much better. Yeah, I can make even 1.1. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, let's make 0.2. Yeah. But, yeah, exactly. Yeah, but trail is behind you and path is in front of you. Yeah, that's the easiest explanation. Yeah, boy. Okay, now it looks much better with the trail. Now let's make this trail, for example, the black. Oh. Nine. Oh, fuck you. just alpha will be lower, like this. Yeah. It is much better. Oh. What are you doing, boy? What is it? Mamma mia. Okay, now I want to add some kind of texture to it.
Then, by changing time, you can control the duration of the trail, which I put it on half. Now look, the trail vanishes sooner.
Yeah,
Min
thank
vertex
you.
distance option makes the trail turns smoother, and it gets closer to zero, trail turns smoother. If you check this box, and if your object collides with another object, and its trail gets disappeared, object destroys automatically. If you want to change trail's color from material section, click on this button. Here shows you all the materials you have. Choose a sprite default. Now for changing color, click on color here. It gives you a gradient which you can choose color limits that you want. I choose red for first, and for end, I choose white. Now if you move object, first of trail is red, and end of it is white. If you decrease vertex a little, it looks better.
Oh, min vertex distance. I can make it 0, and now you mean... Oh, it is much smoother now, yeah. And I can also assign the fucking, how do you call it? The...
Which is swap, it produces and shoot objects. In a script, in update void, I write
Oh my god.
button, run shoots void. In this line, instantiate an object, and the bottom line shoots that object. Now just implement prefab creator to produce that object. Line instantiate an object, and the bottom line shoots that object to produce it. If you press space now, an object produces and shoots, and behind it a trail draws. Let's change the trail color. Click on prefab, then choose color. If multi-blend, color changing happens smoothly, but if it pixel, color changing happens suddenly. Now look, half of trail is red and half of it is white. If you want to add more colors how many you want, click here and choose color. Now look, trail becomes multiple colors. And if you select blend again, color changing happens smoothly. Now if you want to change some positions of trail, double click on this red line. It gives you a new point. With moving this point up and down, trail size changes. If you change min vertex distance number, a cool thing happens. It's edited to high, so I decrease it. From order layer section, from order layer section, you can change trails color layer. Somebody come and look at this. Shit. From order layer section, you can change trails layer. Let's work with trail render in a script. All you need to get trail render.
Okay, I understand it.
Also,
Min
if
vertex
you drag the color,
distance.
press space, right, a trail being it's behind. Right click on weapon, create an empty game object and drag it a little higher. Add trail render for it, drag down its line's end and decrease its size. Set vertex distance on 0, use sprite default to it, and change its color to black. Duplicate this game object twice, drag one of them down, and drag another one more down. Press play. Look, Batman's movement is so beautiful now. You can put any other weapon instead of it.
Yeah.
Like and talk later. Thank you.
Okay. So I have to actually create some kind of material for it. Okay, so first of all, I know what to do. First I have to change the trail full. And now I need to create a material, the outline. And I somehow locate okay, shaders, legacy shaders particle. And I can make it, okay. So now, I can go to materials, I can go to the player, I can go to, I cannot, it's not player, I have to create a trails. What did I do? Player trails. And now I will create material. And here will be player trail material. And now, no. What shall I do? Legacy some kind of shit code. Legacy split. I don't remember. I don't remember. Legacy shaders particle. Legacy shader. Okay, I have no idea which one is it. There are shit ton of them. Let's try this one. No. Trails Unity texture. Oh, Sunday I already watched it.
Now, important is that the texture has a
What the fuck is this?
The exact size has to be powers of 2, and to do so, but it does have to be square. We create that, and all we're going to do here actually is we just want soft edges. So I'm just going to create a new fill layer, make it white. And now what I want to do is I want to create a transparency mask, and with the gradient tool here, I'm just going to make sure that we are creating a gradient from the foreground color to transparency, this section here, and we can now just like this here, hide the background. We can draw draw gradient on this side here, and we can draw gradient on that side here, and it creates a nice soft edge here. So let's go ahead and save this, export it to a PNG, make sure that we store the alpha channel, and import this as a texture in here. In our material here, we're going to use the texture. And it's not looking the way I expect. Here's the gradient on the left side, and here on the right side, we'll get a little random sure. But what we actually want is we want the gradients to be along the sides of the train. So one way of solving this is pretty dramatic, is just to open the PNG here, rotate it, save it, hold it again, import it back into Unity. And now we can see a softer edge on the side. This looks pretty good. Maybe I can increase the size of the trail just a little bit here. And we're going to copy this over to the right side of the train as well. And we got ourselves a pretty nice contrail. Now what I don't like here is you can see here this jagged, very jagged look when I do the barrel roll.
Yeah.
Due to the min vertex distance, it's creating too many vertices in this trail, so we're just going to increase that a little bit. We say 1. So I actually increase it for 1 in the trail, so there's the right one, but not to the left. So you can actually see the comparison between the two. Let's go and change it to the left as well. And now we got a nice, pretty nice and smooth contrail.
Okay. So I actually have to do something like thank you. Now I go to my brush tool. Where is the brush? Here it is. And now I go to the size where it, oh my god, that big. Okay, this small, what? Yeah, a little bit bigger maybe. And something like this maybe? Okay, I have to do it this way. Let's move it a couple of times more. Okay, good. Now I, for example, export it. Export as PNG. Attach metadata, I don't know. Okay. And now I can move it to the unit projects. Now let's move it here, for example. And now I'm gonna attach it here. And now I'm gonna say to this guy to get the rail material. And now what we're gonna have? It kinda not working. Probably because is it still moving now? 3D. Save it. Yeah, it is not working. Oh wait. Oh my god, I changed the wrong thing. Oh fuck me. I changed the wrong thing. Yeah, now it is not visible, but if I change, for example, okay, which one the fucking you used?
That we store the alpha channel and import this as a texture in here. In our material here, we're going to use this new texture. And it's not looking the way.
Standard unlit. Particle standard unlit. Okay. And now that means I have to use the standard unlit. Okay. And now I can additive. And I can grab you and put you here. And now what is gonna do? Nothing. Okay, I still not get it. What did he change?
Here's the gradient on the left side, and here on the right side, or the other way around, I'm not sure. But what we actually want is we want the gradients to be along the sides of the train. So one way of solving this is pretty dramatic, is just to open the PNG here, rotate it, save it, hold it again, import it back into Unity. And now we can see a softer edge on the side. This looks pretty good. Maybe I can increase the size of the trail just a little bit here. And we're going to copy this over to the right side of the train as well.
Okay. I still don't understand it. Yeah, that's not what I want to get. Oh. Hold on, first of all, I need to fucking wash my nose. Oh my fucking god. Oh, okay. So, basically what I want to do, first of all, it is not working. Why are you not working? Because you motherfucker, you're not showing me the real way. You gave me texture shape 2D, okay, so maybe I forgot to do something here. No, it is the same. Okay, and now here, albedo. Ah, maybe because nope. Okay, yes, that's what I want. Eh. We go back again. Oh, yes, that's what I want. This is exactly what I want.
Today, Unity is sponsoring this video, more about them in a moment, and we, as our trail, we are going to start with a plane. We're going to place it in the correct position, and the scale is going to be 1, 1, and 0.33 to the Z, and rotate it minus 90 degrees to the X, and we are going to create the material for this. So, we need a shape. With right click, I'm going to go ahead and create a blank shader graph, rename it and open it up with double click. I'm going to place the window right here, so we can have the plane in the left, and in the graph inspector, I'm going to add universal as target. This one can be lit, so it's influenced by light, but it's transparent instead of opaque. We are going to leave it at alpha, and let's make sure it's two-sided, so basically, let's set...
Yeah, I hate doing this.
And let's also turn on alpha click. Alright, so we are going to start with two colors, so we can create a gradient from inside the shape. Color 01 and color 02. For the first one, we can select the red color, set the mode to HDR. And for the second color, we can choose a blue one with the mode to HDR as well. And the way we use this is with alert node. If we connect color 01 to the A option and color 02 to the B option, if we leave it as it is, the T option will basically blend between these two colors. We actually don't want that. We want to use a gradient instead. Whenever we need a gradient, we can use the UV node. If we split it, and for example connect the R channel, we get a gradient. We can use a 1- to invert the channel if we want. And that's it, we have our gradient. Now, we need to multiply this with the main texture, the texture we are going to create for the trail. Something like this. Let's for now use the default particle. I'm going to show you how to create a texture in a moment. Let's sample the text and connect to multiply. And for this trail to work out, we need to scroll to pan the main texture. And we simply need the time node, multiply it with a vector 2, in this case main text speed. Default value of 0.
I don't fucking understand
and this is going to
shit.
be connected to the offset of the tiling and offset node. Just like this. You can connect to the UV input of the sample texture, and here we go, it's scrolling. And this is the basic setup. Now, let's fade this right side, which will represent the end point of our trail. And once again, we need a gradient, so we are going to use a UV node. If we split it, we can use the R channel. We are going to subtract something to this. But if we multiply this with the sample texture, as you can see, towards the right end, it fades away. And we can dissolve this, we can add the texture to this, instead of simply fading away. So we need a noise texture, but for the simplicity of this tutorial, I'm going to use a percentage generated one that comes with shader graph, and it's the simple noise. You can control the scale in the inspector, call it the default scale, the default value of 30 more or less, 35. And this can be connected to the subtract node, and as you can see, our texture is dissolving towards the end, but there's a few more things we can do. For example, we are removing too much from the main texture, so we can invert the gradient and add it to the simple noise, so it becomes brighter on the left, and it fades on the right.
Okay, so let me just rearrange a little bit these nodes. Now, to make this look even better, we can scroll these simple nodes. We can pan, just like we did for the main text. So let's use the time node and multiply it with a vector 2 that we can call dissolve speed. Connect this to the offset of the tiling offset node, and connect to the UV of the simple gradient, and here we go, it's already.
Can I get this shader code, please? Come on, man. Oh, he doesn't have shader. Oh, wait. Nope, he doesn't have shader code.
And now before we test this out, let's not forget to connect this to the base color. We can save in the Save Asset button, and to test we can create a material with right click on the shader we just made. And with this material we can drag it to our plane, just to see how things are going. And yeah, the background is completely black, because we just need to pass some information to the alpha of our shader. We actually already have it down here. We simply need to clamp it between 0 and 1, so we don't get any strange artifacts. And then connect to the alpha up here. And here we go, much better now. We can play with scroll speed and with dissolve scale, but the only problem we have now is the texture. It's not a proper texture for a trail. It's something more or less like this. So I'm going to show you how to create one, and I'm going to use Krita, but the tools we need are similar to Photoshop and other image editing software. So I'm going to create a new file with 2048 by 2048, completely square. I'm going to unlock the background, and with the bucket tool I'm going to paint it to black. And then I'm going to press B to select the brush, and I have this brush right here under the paint panel. And what I'm going to do is decrease the hardness, basically the fade in Krita. I'm also going to decrease the opacity, and now we want to select this Bezier curve and press Shift double D, because Krita has an awesome feature. We can easily create tileable textures if we press Shift W. Let's not forget to select white for color, decrease the opacity again, and the size something around 300. Actually, you can press B, and while holding Shift you can increase the brush size, and then you can pick the Bezier curve tool and basically create a random line, a zigzag like this one for example, and then press Enter whenever you feel like it. And now the trick is to decrease a little bit the size and create another line. And repeat this process, decrease the size, and create a few white areas now, because the shader works really well when we got a nice gradient between black and white. So we want to have a few gray values in between and then some white spots, so that's what we are doing here. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look good, because now if we go to filters, we can go to blur, and in motion blur, we can set the angle to 180 and the length more or less to 150. Blends in together, and we have a tileable texture. Let's press Shift W to disable wrap, let's press B for the brush tool, and select the eraser, increase the size and decrease the opacity, because we simply need now to remove some parts. Oh, by the way, turn on wrap mode with Shift W again, otherwise we'll have some artifacts, as you can see. Yeah, but the idea is that we remove some of this excess that we see around here, and then save this with a black background as a PNG to your Unity project. And that's it. We have a trail text that we can play with, so I'm gonna assign it to the material we created earlier, and as you can see, this is a much better texture than the default part that comes with Unity. So yeah, it's a big plus. And how do we use
see?
asking, because this is applied to a plane, right? And we got a trail rendering.
Exactly what I need, hands up.
Test it out. Right click, effects, trail, and the time could be 1. Now we simply need to drag and drop the material we created. And here we go, it's bright, which you may be wondering why. Well, it's bright because we have this shader in lit mode. It's influenced by the lights of the scene. If we set it to unlit, as you can see now we have the correct colors that we have selected for the shade. I'm gonna leave it at unlit for now. And yeah, it's really cool to play with these trails, by the way. Really nice. Now it's all a matter of playing with the colors, playing with the speed of the scroll, and finding a nice balance. There's a cool trick we can do where we duplicate the trail we have, we parent it to this one, and we increase the time.
Yo, can I get it for the free, please? I don't want to fucking do it. You motherfucker! Is there anything else? Oh my fucking god. Oh wait! Yeah, holy shit, he has fucking big license here. Okay, I'm gonna do it myself, fuck you. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna actually put it on the second screen. And here the fucking hell begins. Shaders, and now we go to the trails. Layer, solar, or not the fuck. Create, where's the fuck? Shader. Shader, blank shader, graph. Oh Complete shader. Have failed? No, we don't have from template. Oh wait. Okay, I'm gonna do it myself. Fuck you all. Shader graph from blank shader graph. Layer. Well, you will do it yourself. You do it yourself or use the AI. No, I don't have tiny task. No, I will not use AI for this. He will. I'm pretty sure he will fucking mess it up, and I will struggle in the future. So I don't trust AI for the visuals. Blur trail shader. And the hell begins here. Can I see the variables which I can create? Okay, so let's go color. 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 Main texture 2D. Main vector 2D. What it called? Main text speed. Main text speed. No. And now, what else? Dissolve scale. It's float. Dissolve scale. Okay, Hanzo. And dissolve speed, which is vector 2. Okay, now we start doing it.
Right here, so we can have the plane in the left and in the graph perspective. I'm going to add universal as target. This one can be
Universal. And again the problem starts here because I don't have fucking. Okay, I think it's zero piece thing. Why is so small? Okay, workflow mode. I don't understand it. Opaque, transparent.
And let's make sure it's two-sided, so basically let's set the render face to both. Oh, and let's also turn on alpha clipping. Alright, so
Alpha clipping, where? I don't understand it. Surface type. Transparent. Rendering pass alpha, okay. Receive fog, I don't care. Render face, I want the render face. Alpha clipping is off. No, it's turned on.
we are going to start with two colors. So we can create the grid.
It is metallic. Alpha, default, transparent. Is there anything where I can choose the fucking metallic?
Gradient from inside.
And where the fuck he was using this? Karita, I think, yeah? Karita. Oh, yeah. Wait, before I continue, I don't think I have a space on PC. Yes, it will fucking blow up. Wait. Storage, settings, okay, settings. I have to delete some shit because it will fucking blow up. Let's go to the Steam and I'll fucking delete Counter-Strike. I don't fucking care about that game. Fuck it, boy. Okay, you can fuck off. You can remove from queue. Manage, uninstall. Oh my god, so much space now I have. Good enough. Okay, so we continue.
180 and the length more. You can do it in my Patreon.
I need to return, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, my network is fucked up. Okay, so now we begin.
Page. I'll have the link in the description. So have you guys checked Black Friday and 0.33 in place to winner right here? So first one you can select the red color, set the mode to HDR, and for the second color,
I choose the red color and I choose the pink color.
you can choose a blue one with the mode to HDR as well. And the way we use this is with alert node. If you connect color 01 to the
Now I hit the bar and the ba and the ba. And now I can use this to the left. And I can buy other one,
the A option and color 02 to the B option. If we leave it as it is, the T option will basically blend between these two colors. We actually don't want that. We want to use a gradient instead. Whenever we need a gradient, we can use the UV node. If we split it,
1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and now what I do? What do I do?
and for example, connect the R channel, we get a gradient. You can
I need UV node, a UV, and I need split, and I connect red to T. I get some gradient. Oh, man.
that's it.
And before I do that, and 1 minus, 1 minus.
We have our gradient.
Oh wait, what? Fuck
Now
that.
we need to multiply these.
I have no idea what the fuck he done. Lied to me.
Main text, the text that we are going to create for the trail. Something like this. Let's for now use
Now let's take the multiply.
the default particle. I'm going to show
And into the texture we use the default particle.
you how to create a text in a moment. Let's sample the text and connect to the multiply.
Okay, I'm gonna just speed it a little bit slower. I move here, I take it simple.
Something like this. Let's for now use the default particle. I'm going to show you how to create a text in a moment. Let's sample the text and connect it to the multiply. And for this trail to work out, we need to scroll to pan the main text. And we simply need the time node, multiply it with a vector 2, in this case
Time node.
text speed,
Multiply with
the
Ah!
value of 0.1 in the x.
mind
This
X
is going
speed.
to be connected to the offset of the tiling and offset node.
It will be connected to the tiling and off.
Connect to the UV input of the sample texture, and here we go, it's scrolling. And this is the basic setup. Now let's fade.
Wait, I did it not working. I messed it up. Fuck you. What did I do wrong?
To pan
I have this one,
the
okay.
main texture. And we simply need the time node, multiply it with a vector 2, in this case main text speed, default value of 0.1 in the x,
Ah,
and this is going to be connected to the offset of the tiling and offset node.
and what did you do, you fucker?
You out text speed,
default value of 0.1 in the X, and this is going to
A minus.
be connected to the offset of the tiling and offset node. Just like this.
And it will be connected to offset. Oh! It is moving now.
Can connect to the UV input of the sample texture, and here we go, it's scrolling. And this is the basic setup. Now let's fade this white side, which will represent the end point of our trail. And once again, we need a gradient, so we are going to use
UV.
UV node.
Okay, and out gonna be
Split it. You can use the R channel. We are going to subtract something to this. But if
subtract.
we multiply this with the sample texture, as you can see, towards the right end it fades away.
Multiply.
Dissolve this, we can add the texture to this instead of simply fading away. So we need a noise texture, but for the simplicity of this tutorial I'm going to use a procedurally generated one that comes with shader graph, and it's the simple noise.
Simple noise.
Control the scale in the inspector, call it the dissolve scale.
Resolve
With a value
scale.
of 30 more or less, 45.
And make it 35.
And this can be connected to the subtract node, and as you can see, our texture is dissolving towards the end, but there's a few more things we can do. For example,
It is not working. Wait. It is not working. I messed it up. How the fuck did I mess it up? What have I done? And again, we go again. Fuck it. 35. Okay.
and this can be connected to
Ah, it is connected to the scale.
the subtract.
Ah, it is connected to the scale. Oh. And now I get this.
Node, and as you can see, our texture is dissolving towards the end,
Okay.
but there's a few more things we can do. For example, we are removing too much from the main texture, so we can invert the gradient and add it to the simple noise, so it becomes brighter on the left and it fades on the right.
What the fuck did you do? What the fuck did you do, you motherfucker? Ah. So 1 minus is going to the add. Like this, and this guy is going. It's going to here, and it's also going to here, and it's going to here. And what? What did I get?
Okay, so let me just rearrange a little bit these notes.
It is not working as I expected to work. Ah, you motherfucker. And it also goes straight to this one. Ah, you piece of shit.
Now, to make this look even better, we can scroll this simple noise. We can pan, just like we did for the main textures. So let's use a time node and multiply it with a vector 2 that we can call dissolve speed.
I take the dissolve speed and I
Connect this to the offset of the tiling and offset node. And connect to the UV of the simple gradient, and here we go, it's all ready.
and it's going to the offset and I connect it to the here. I have no idea what it gave me. I really have no idea. But it did something, yeah?
Scrolling. Great.
Wait, I don't have the same result. Ah, because I have to give you one. Oh, -1. Okay, -1.
And now before we test this out, let's not forget to connect this to the base color.
Oh! Holy shit, it's a fucking fire! Ah, damn, I made fire.
We can save in the Save Asset button. And to test it, we can create a material with right click on the shader we just made. And
And now I save it. Not fucking the website, YouTube. I save this one. And holy shit, I hope it doesn't crash. Don't crash, please! Please do not crash. Thank you. And now with this information I can already create some things in me. But it is a little bit slow, but it's also
material we can drag it to our.
it is also slow for him. Okay. So I can create material. Trail material. Okay, I'm gonna actually. Okay, no. I don't care. I'm gonna go to the materials, enemy player, trails, trail. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say shader, player, trail, shader. Yes, and now I get this one. And now texture should be yes, and now I get, for example, white, and does it working? Yeah.
Playing just to see how things are going. And yeah, the background is completely black because we just need to pass some information to the alpha of our shader. We actually already have it down here. We simply need to clamp it between 0 and 1 so we don't get any strange artifacts, and then connect to the alpha up here. And here we go.
Alpha.
Much better now. We can play with the scroll speed and with the soft scale.
And now, oh, let me save it. Yeah, same shit.
But the only problem we have now is the texture. It's not a proper texture for a trail. We need something more. And here we go. It's bright, which you may be wondering.
It is not
how do
working,
we
you
use
piece
it?
of shit.
How do we use it? You may be asking, because this is a player to a plane, right? And we got a trail render in Unity. Simply need to drag and drop the material we created.
I simply dragged and dropped the material which I just created. Oh, maybe because of this. Oh shit, did I broke something? Maybe because of my. Let's make it. Yeah, it's not working. Why it's not working?
And here we go. It could be one. And now it's scrolling. I click on the shader we just made. And with this material we can drag it to our plane.
Okay, I'm gonna create new material. Fuck this guy. Delete. Trails. Can I... create material and player trail. Okay, it is doing pretty well at point. Let's move you from here to materials, and now I can assign you to here, and now it is not doing it. Why?
Plane.
Surface options I don't have. Okay, let's check it out. Main texture, okay, 0.5. Okay, let's call it 4.5.
Just to see how things are going. And
Let me just grab you and make you a little bit bigger. I made you too big. But okay. Okay, so here you are. And now I assign it to you, and it is not working. It's definitely not working. Why are you not working? Did I forget something? An issue? Maybe because of this? It is here somewhere. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, it is not working. Okay, I definitely missed something, but what the fuck did I miss? Ah, okay, this one I need.
yeah, down here with any strength. And here we go. Much better now.
Yeah. Yeah. Why are you not working?
We can play with the scroll speed and reduce of scale, but the only problem we have now is the texture. It's not.
It's definitely not working. Why the fuck you are not working?
To clamp it between 0 and 1 so we don't get any strange artifacts, and then connect to the alpha up here and open it up. It's transparent instead of it's plain in the left, and in the graph inspector I'm gonna add universal as a target. This one can be lit, so it's influenced by light, but it's transparent instead of opaque. We are going to leave it at alpha, and let's make sure it's two-sided, so basically let's set the render face to both. Oh, and let's also turn on alpha clipping. Alright, so we are going to start with two colors, so we can create a gradient from inside the shader. Color 0,
I don't understand.
Color 02. For the first one we can select the red color, set the mode to HDR, and for the second color you can choose a blue one.
Now it will fucking disappear. It will be fucking transparent. And what they're gonna do? It is usable in game mode. Okay. At least now I know the problem is in the fucking alpha.
With the and now before to pass some information to the alpha of our shader, we actually already have it down here. We simply need to clamp it between 0 and 1 so we don't get any strange artifacts, and then connect to the alpha up here and here.
Oh. No? What? There was something, no? No. Oh. I don't get it. Will not work. You saw it? Okay, now I have some... Oh, wait, first of all, let me... Can I move you back? Like here. Okay, it is working actually. It is actually working. But the problem is that it is not... You see? It is not... Oh, okay. So... Okay, let me play with the fucking material. It's doing it weird. I don't fucking understand why is it doing this way. Yeah, literal no idea. Wait, I want to check something. Yeah, no. I have feeling that it is not... So if I remove this one and I say alpha is 1, the fuck is this? Yeah. Now I always see. But if I apply the alpha, it is... I don't see it. Why? Did I use the correct ones?
And to test, we can create a material with right click on the shader we just made. And yeah, the background is completely black. We actually already have it down here. We simply need to clamp it between 0 and 1 so we don't get any strange artifacts. And then connect to the alpha up here. And here we go, much better now. We can play with the scroll speed.
I did exactly the same.
And here we go. minus 90 degrees in the X, and we are going to create a material for this, so we need a shader. With right click, I'm gonna go ahead and create a blank shader graph, rename it and open it up with double click. I'm gonna place the window right here so we can have the plane in the left, and in the graph inspector I'm gonna add universal as a target. This one can be lit, so it's influenced by light, but it's transparent instead of opaque.
Swear to God. Graph settings, it is material okay. I don't care. Surface type. Transparent.
We are going to leave it at alpha, and let's make sure it's two-sided, so basically let's set the render face.
Okay, AI. Fucking hell, I hate to do this, but... I fucking hate to do it, but okay, let's try it. I don't have any other ideas right now. I literally don't have any ideas right now. Swear to God, if you fucking fix it, I'm gonna be... What? He already did? What the fuck did he change? Ah. I can just lower it. No? No? You ain't gonna work? No, you're gonna work. Come on. If I disable it, look what happens.
შესიცხიანო მუტელო შენ რა გინდა?
რა გინდა შეჩემა, გული გამისკდა. ახჩე. თუ გამოვისწრო Discord-ზე ვარ.
გული არა პროჭიგა გასასკდომი. ჰა?
გული გამიხეთქე შესიროში.
ბიჭო. ნიკა.
აუ შეჩ.
ინდა ისი ჩაგეჯო.
აუ, გავალე ხაიდი ნახუი. So this shit is not working because of material is too slow. Wait, it's too fast.
გაზიარებული რატო არ გაგი ეკრან პორნოები გაჩართული?
1x? No? Wait, no.
ეგა ნახე
Anymore.
კამერა როგორ შევატრიალო? აჰა, ნიკა. საბას კრაში.
Oh.
შეხედე?
Ai, Jurio. Okay. So it is actually rendering the fucking tail. So, look. I have... What part is it rendering though? I don't understand. Same shit. I don't fucking get it. Scroll all. Yeah, I don't fucking get it. Okay, we're going fucking back.
Instead, whenever we need a gradient, we can use the UV node.
LERP?
If we split
Where the
it,
fuck is LERP?
and for example connect the R channel,
Oh,
we get
okay.
a gradient. You can use a 1- to invert the channel if you want. And that's it, we have our gradient. Now, we need to multiply this with the main texture, the texture we are going to create for the trail. Something like this. Let's for now use the default particle. I'm going to show you how to create a texture in a moment. Let's sample the text and connect it to the multiply. And for this trail to work out, we need to scroll to pan the main texture. And we simply need the time node, multiply it with a vector 2, in this case main text speed, default value of 0.1 in the x, and this is going to be connected to the offset of the tiling and offset node. Just like this. You can connect it to the UV input of the sample texture, and here we go, it's scrolling. And this is the basic setup. Now let's fade this right side, which will represent the end point of our trail. And once again, we need a gradient, so we are going to use a UV node. If we split it, you can use the R channel. We are going to subtract something to this. But if we multiply this with the sample texture, as you can see, towards the right end it fades away. And we can dissolve this, we can add the texture to this, instead of simply fading away. So we need a noise texture, but for the simplicity of this tutorial I'm going to use a procedurally generated one that comes with shader graph, and it's the simple noise. You can control the scale in the inspector, call it the dissolve scale, the default value of 30 more or less, 45. And this can be connected to the subtract node, and as you can see, our texture is dissolving towards the end, but there's a few more things we can do. For example, we are removing too much from the main texture, so we can invert the gradient and add it to the simple noise, so it becomes brighter on the left and it fades on the right.
Oh,
Okay, so let
I forgot this one.
me just rearrange a little bit these notes.
Oh! No way. Fuck! Yeah. It took so much fucking time to find.
Now to make this look even better, we can scroll this here and then connect it to the alpha up here. And here we go, much better now. We can play with the scroll speed and with the dissolve scale, but the only problem we have now is the texture. It's not a proper texture.
Oh my god. While it is not, I'm gonna make coffee and I'll be right back, boy. Fucking hell it was. Yippee. Okay. Alright. Okay, Krita installed.
For a trail. You need something more or less like this. So I'm gonna show you how to create one, and I'm going to use Krita, but the tools we need are similar to Photoshop and other image editing software. So I'm gonna create a new file with 2048 by 2048, a completely square.
What the fuck is this? Okay, and what do I do?
I'm gonna unlock the background, and with the bucket tool I'm gonna paint it to
Okay, unlock it, and with the bucket tool, where is the fucking bucket tool?
black.
Oh, nice.
And then I'm gonna press B to select the brush, and I have this brush right here under the paint panel, and what I'm going to do is decrease the hardness, basically the fade in Krita. I'm also going to
What? Wait.
this brush right here under the paint panel, and what I'm going to do is decrease the
What you gonna, how did you go there? Huh?
hardness, this brush right here under the paint panel, and what I'm going to do is
Oh, okay.
decrease the hardness,
Fade. Okay.
basically the fade in Krita. I'm also going to decrease the opacity, and now we want to select this Bezier curve and press Shift V, because Krita has an awesome feature. We can easily create tileable textures if we press Shift W. Let's not forget to select white for the color. Decrease the opacity again, and the size something around 300. Actually, you can press B, and while holding Shift you can increase the brush size, and then you can pick the Bezier curve tool and basically create a random line, a zigzag.
Oh, okay, I can press P. I can choose something like this, and now I will choose the color white. Caramba. And now I choose the like this, and now like this, okay. Oh fuck. Okay.
Like this one for example.
Fuck!
Today Unity is sponsoring this video, more about them in a moment, and we got something that many people asked for quite a few times, and I think it's super cool, which is stylized trails. It's one of those effects that you see applied in many games in different situations. It's mostly a shader graph. You pick the Bezier curve tool and basically create a random line, a zigzag like this one for example, and then press enter whenever you feel like it. And now the trick is to
Okay, let's make a better zigzag.
decrease a little bit the size and create another line. and repeat this process, decrease the size and create a few white areas now, because the shader works really well.
Ah. Oh my god. Okay. I again forgot to... Opacity, let's be 23. Enter. Enter. What the fuck is this? Motherfucker. Okay, last time. Boing. 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 I kinda want more curves. Fuck me. I kinda want in the beginning more curves like this. Like this. Okay, a little bit. Now I increase opacity, I decrease size, and I repeat the process. Okay.
When we got a nice gradient between black and white. So we want to have a few gray values in between.
And now I decrease the size and I do the same. Something like this, and then I'm gonna just boing, 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 and so on.
And then some white spots. So that's what we are doing here. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look good, because now if we go to filters, we can go to blur, and in motion blur we can set the angle to 180 and the length more or less to 150. Blends in together and we have a tileable text. Let's press Shift W to disable wrap. Let's press B for the brush tool and select the...
And what do I do? Wait. Oh, I press fuck. Shift W. Oh. It is not centered, but fuck it, it's not centered. But yeah, fuck it, okay.
The eraser. Increase the size and decrease the opacity, because we simply need now to remove some parts. Oh, by the way, turn on wrap mode with Shift W again, otherwise...
Okay, and now we go to the fucking brush, we go to this guy, we increase the size, we decrease the opacity, and what? I choose the black, and I don't get it.
Blends in together and we have a tileable text. Let's press Shift W to disable wrap. Let's press B for the brush tool and select the eraser. Increase the size and decrease the opacity, because we simply need now to remove some parts. Oh, by the way,
It is doing the opposite, what? It is not doing what I want him to do. What? Why are you not working? The fuck? It's not doing anything.
Third laser blends in together and we have a tileable text. Let's press Shift W to disable wrap.
Ah, because... Ah, it was actually... Ah, okay, okay. Oh my god, I just realized. I have to do it again. Fuck. Both, Hanzo, to be fairly honest, both. To be fairly honest, both. Okay, I'm just gonna create fucking new. Fuck it. Okay, so where is fucking bucket? Unlock it. No, no. Unlock it, make it red, and we go to paint. And now we start all over again. I chose the white, I chose the opacity lower. Something like this. And I make it. And now I choose the fucking busier mode, and now I doing, 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 doing. Something like this. Okay. Now I go again, doing, 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 doing. No, opacity is 100. Why the fuck is opacity is 100? Doing, 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 doing. And let's increase a little bit size and wait, I think it's not centered. Yeah, it's not centered. Let's take center. Doing, 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 doing. Something like this. No, like fuck it. Let's start here. Okay. Okay, something like this. And now boing, 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 boing. Enter. Yes, size is big one. What the fuck? Oh yeah, it is now a little small. Yes, now we decrease again the size. Like this, and now I again decrease the size, and now let's make it a bit white spots. Like this. It's too small. Okay, good enough. What is bro trying to cook? Wait, you will see, Hanzo, you will see. Okay. And let's add a little bit more white. Okay, good. Now I go to the filter. I go to the blur, I go to the motion blur. I set here 180, I say here 150. 150, I said. I say okay. Now I go to the paint layer, I go to the E. And now I go to the B and oh, nice.
Let's press B for the brush tool and select the eraser. Increase the size and decrease the opacity because we simply need now to remove some parts. Oh, by the way, turn on.
Okay, let's remove some parts like this.
Wrap mode.
And I like it. No, I don't like it. I need more whites. I need more whites. I need more whites. I don't like it. I need fucking more whites. Fuck this. Something like that. The edges more likely. Not like this. But like this and like this and here too. Here too and so on. Okay. Well, a bit more here. And okay. Now I kinda like it. Now I go to again to blur, to motion blur. I say 180. I say 150. Okay. I think you made it look worse. Kinda. Yes, I made it look worse. Okay, so let's make it this way then. Because at the beginning I wanted more white, and at the end more black, so I'm gonna make it like this. Yeah, okay, I don't care. It is what it is. If something happens, I'm gonna fucking change it. Okay, and now we go to this one, and I say boing. Ah, yes, go. Let's make a little bit adjustments here. So it will be more like curved. So it will have more clearly the shape. Yep, like this. Okay.
With Shift W again, otherwise we will have some artifacts, as you can see. Yeah, but the idea is that we remove some of...
Okay, good enough. That should be chase up, Gemini. Now we save as. Let's go to downloads. I have no. Okay, export. I think. Export. Here. Okay, no, I have no idea how to export. Tell me.
Access that we see still our Unity project. See around here, and then save these with a black background as a PNG to your Unity project.
Oh, okay. Just simply export. Downloads. Trail PNG. Save it, and I have to choose
And
something.
that's it. We have a trail text that we can play with, so I'm going.
So that means now I have trail, which will be moved to the fucking shaders, and I can move it to. Okay, it blew up. My piece fucking blew up. And now I can go here and I can say to this guy, that your particular Trail. Ooh. And now I can save it. I can just fucking close it. And now what he's doing? Let me
I'm
check.
gonna assign it to the material we created earlier, and as you can see, this is a much better texture than.
And let's check out how texture looks like now. Bro saved memes. Yes, of course. Wait. Wait. What? Ah. You motherfucker, you better look good. What the fuck is this? You motherfucker. What the fuck is this? You motherfucker. Why the fuck it is so offset? I literally see only the fucking... It should not be that offset. Shit, here we go again.
Alright, so we are going to start with two colors.
Looks like
So we
dog
can
shit,
create
yes.
the gradient from inside the shader. Color 01 and color 02.
Okay, color 01,
First
color
one is select
02.
the red color,
I know that I made correctly everything until this point.
rolling, instead of simply fading away. It's away.
Yes.
And we can dissolve this, we can add the texture to this, instead of simply fading away.
Okay.
So we need a noise texture, but for the simplicity of this tutorial I'm going to use a procedure generated one. That you can texture, so
I have here
we can invert the gradient and add it to the simple noise. So it becomes
split
bright on the left,
minus
and it fades on the right.
add and here.
Okay, so let me
And
just
subtract
rearrange
is
a little bit
taking
this
as a
node.
split.
Now to make this look even better, we can scroll this simple noise. We can pan just like we did for the main text. So let's use a time node and multiply it with a vector 2 that we can call
Dissolve speed.
dissolve speed.
No way.
Connect this to the offset of the tiling and offset node and connect it to the UV of the simple gradient, and here we go, it's already scrolling. Great. And now before we test this out, let's not forget to connect this to the base color. We can save in the save asset button, and to test it we can create a material with right click on the shader we just made.
It is rendering only the fucking tail. Wait. Wait. I think I found something. Wait. Motherfucker. Where is it? Somewhere here it was. Oh, here it is. Main preview. I think it is happening because of... Hold on, look. This shit. Okay, I have to find somehow... No. Non-energy jacket. Yes, I think I did something wrong. No, like a problem is that that guy is using the fucking, oh my god. What the fuck, why I cannot paint? Oh. That guy is using fucking universal. And I'm using HDRP. I'm using HDRP. He's using universal. There is not a very big difference between those two, but I think the problem is with compatibility. It is not compatible. Compatible? Yeah, compatible. I think that's the main problem. And I have to find a way to make those guys compatible. Receive fog. No. Maybe because of this. It is not working now. So you think it's not compatible? I think it should be compatible. Like there is no way that I cannot do the same shit as I can do if I can do in universal A, I can do in HDRB also the A. Maybe I can do the B, for example, but they will be the same result. There will be some workarounds around this. Because right now, if I, for example, remove the alpha, what will happen? This shit will happen, look. It will kinda work, but no. Let me move to the right so I can see fully. Yeah, you see, it's kinda working as I expect it to work. So problem is in the alpha. And I also don't like this texture. I will change the texture, but first I need to make it work. So if I remove alpha, there is what is left there? Like, what is rendering? I don't understand. Only part of it is rendering. What if I say minimum is like 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1? What if I say this one? Then it will be little transparent. No, I understand the problem. I see the problem, Hanzo. I fucking see the problem. No. It is not deleting the whole thing. Oh, okay, I see the problem. I see the fucking problem. Problem is in here. It is taking so less. I have to make him take more. Or I have to make him take less? Wait. No. Alright, what will happen if I do this? No. It is also very fucking slow. So where is my time here? Main texture speed, let's make it a little bit faster. So I can see it, yeah. So something is not rendering here. Uneducated guess, I was totally wrong. It's okay, shit happens. But, oh my god, I don't understand it. I never did it before, like I have no idea how the fuck shaders work. That is my worst side, literally, fucking worst side. Okay, let's make it 1 again. What if I'm gonna make it 1, 1, 1, 1? It will be just completely white. If I'm gonna lower those guys a little bit. What will happen now? I already see the shadow. I already see the fucking shadow here. Yeah. Okay, so
Before we test this out, let's not forget to connect this to the base color of our shader. We actually already have it down here. We simply need to clamp it between 0 and 1 so we don't get any strange artifacts, and then connect it to the alpha up here.
yeah, he did the fucking same thing. Decided. He took this guy, he took clamp. What if I'm gonna connect it? Wait, I accidentally deleted it. I don't want to delete it actually. What if I connect it directly? What if? If I get the same result, the problem is not in the clamp, it is in the multiply. Yes. Okay, I'm getting somewhere. What if I connect this one directly here? It should give me a very weird result now. Yes, very weird result. Because this alpha is somehow clamped. Not from those guys, but from the fucking graph. So I now know for sure. Problem is not in the here. Problem is somewhere here. Can I save it, please? Thank you. Maybe depth test. Depth wide. Like you told me, the more you fuck around, the more you found out. Yes. So now let me move this one lower. What you will do? I'm fucking ready. You motherfucker, if you gonna work. What? I'm gonna just disable it. Wait. Motherfucker. Do it. Do it! Almost. Is that it? No. So I have a lot of more parameters than that guy has. Let me fucking check which parameters. So base color, check. Alpha, check. Alpha clip threshold, check. Thickness, fuck you. Transmission mask, fuck you. Normal, check. Base color, check. Smoothness, check. Emission, check. Bent, fuck you. Ambition, oh, ambient, why ambient? I have no idea how to pronounce it. Check. Okay, now I have the same shit. Wait, I just want to check.
Much better now. We can play with scroll speed and with this off scale, but the only problem with are enough. We don't need velocity. Lifetime between 0.4 and 0.5. As you can see, if you move it around, the pivot is way up high and it looks strange. You can fix it up here. It's only happening because they are in the same order in the layer. So I'm going to increase the bright trail. How do we use it, you may be asking, because this is applied to a plane, right?
And we are at the start. Yes. The more you fuck around, the more you fuck around. Fuck. Oh, 5. This will fucking do it. No. Or yes. Like, yeah, okay, but... Ah, wait! It's rendered from all the sides, it's because it is... Ah, okay. So this shadow is not a problem. Wait, will it save everything? Yes, it will save everything. Okay, so now... Wait. I don't understand, is it working or not? Size, can I adjust the size? Stretch, okay, let's make it 10. 10. Same shit. I don't know, I don't only see yellow. Yeah, me too. Let's just run it. Maybe it will work if I run it. Yeah. Oh wait. First of all, my trail is very offset. And I found another bug. And anyways, it is not working. Like, look what result he has.
And we got a trail render in Unity. It's not, could be one, and now we simply need to drag and drop the material we created.
I'm missing fucking something. And what I'm missing, I have no idea. And we're back at the beginning. Უსაქმურობ არა ვეჩალიჩები პროექტს. პროექტს რა ჩემ თამაშს რა. Ach, like-heavy. Yeah, we are fucking at the beginning. And why? Because of this fucking motherfucker. But I need it. Saul, I'm all straight here. What if I'm gonna check just everything? Yeah, same shit. Let's remove it and let's add built-in, for example, opaque translation, alpha, both. And now it is fucking ink. Or redo in universal. I cannot, then I have to do everything what I have done in my project again. I have to literally create new project for universal. How to install universal on HDRP unit. I don't want to do it because I fucking know it. I can do it without the fucking universal. How? I don't fucking know. If this guy will fucking do it, I will be fucking amazed. Oh fucking god, please do not mess it up, please. I beg you, do not mess it up. Do not do it, do not redeem it. Do not redeem it. Wait. Dumbass! Yeah. Oh, at least look, slow-mo looks so fucking... Look at slow-mo is fucking perfect. At least slow-mo is working good. I'm gonna fucking cry. And I cannot control the if. Nice. What if I'm gonna... Oh... Oh. Maybe I need not add but subtract. Wait, no. Ah, I'm not getting fucking alpha properly. I'm getting alpha from here. Wait, my brain's starting working now. My brains are working now. So I'm getting alpha from fucking here. And I need alpha from here. What if I'm gonna just... Hold on. Let me just move you guys a little. Can I fucking move you? Not like this, and yep, like this, and yep, like this. So, for example, I say I want multiple preview. I get this one, and from here I get the same. From this one I get this one. Okay, makes sense. So now, what if I'm gonna take this one and create vector for, and now I'm gonna just preview it. I'm getting this one. What if I'm gonna just split it? What if I'm gonna, before the split, I'm gonna clamp? I think I fucking cooked Hanzo. I think I fucking did it. Fucking AI bullshit. Let me see it. Motherfucker. Never mind. What if I'm gonna take this alpha? What if I'm gonna just take the alpha, not RGB? What if I'm gonna just take alpha? Will I get the result? I don't understand it, to be fucking fair. What if I'm gonna just connect it straight to here? Still no result, I guess, already. Wait, do I need now alpha threshold? Yeah, I need it. I definitely do need it. Why is it so transparent? Why is it so fucking transparent? Why the fuck are you so fucking transparent? Yeah. Okay, for example, I say this one, I remove this one. I remove those guys. I save it. I have, yes, black background. Now I go to AI. Where is it? Here you are. New agent. I give you trails. So, in result, I have background, not black background. And you remove it. Well, let's check it out. Maybe it will work, maybe it will not work. Anyways, holy shit. What? Blend mode? Beast. You change it to a video. And what did you change with that? زده داوت نواخر გასაგებია შემთხვევით შეიდერებთან ხوار ქონია შეხება ოდესმე
რას შევეხე?
შეიდერებთან
შემთხვევით რესურსებში ხوار შესულხარ?
არა რატო? სად არის ვაფშე იგი? სად არის რესურსები? ო. რა არის აქ?
კარგად დასკროლო. არ არის?
რა, რასაც ვერ მივხვდი.
ძალიან ბევრი ასეტები მქონდა.
ასეტები არ მინდა ჩემსაც წემე.
არ ვიცი მე აზე.
აგაძანებოდა ყოფილიყარ მაშინ. აუ რატო იმის ბურღია?
ფონიკები. ფონიკერის თავები.
თუ შემოვაკითხო. And now I will get the same fucking result, yeah? Yo. Yeah. Yep. TikTok-ზეც, იმაზეც, YouTube-ზეც და Twitch-ზეც.
როგორც იქნა დავაშკაცდი.
ყველას გავედე.
ბიჭო. სუდაჭყეს.
რაზე? So I definitely need fucking alpha blending mode, but it is not giving me the result which I fucking want. It's taking too much. Why?
I don't know. საიტი გავგადი და
what if I say multiply and then a fucking clamp, and I will say clamp at minimum 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, and output will be forwarded to the alpha. And I got what result I got.
How about right
Yeah, same shit. Or not. No, it is too much. I'll disappear for a few minutes and appear in a few minutes. Okay, Hans. Very informative information. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna fucking lower the threshold. And that will be it, like 0.05. Not smoothness, not the smoothness, you fucking dumbass. What's this? Come on, boy.
What
Yeah.
do you do if you are hungry?
Definitely not eat.
Eat what?
Eat shawarma. Yes, Ukrainian. You know Ukrainian shawarma. Ukrainian shawarma. It is shawarma, but named shawarma. This is so fucking bullshit. Yo, I think the problem is not in the... Yo, I think problem not in the fuck... Wait.
Wait.
Hold fuck on. You fucking... hold on.
No,
And parts. Oh, by the way,
fuck you, bloody.
Yeah, definitely problem here. Okay. Fucking Carita. Get your bitch ass up here. We're gonna fucking do it again. File. Heal. Create. And now we're gonna fucking unlock this one. Get this shit. Get to black. Paint it black. Paint you black, you motherfucker. You're white. Make sure you're not. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the fucking
Do you like black?
where is
Do you like
Bezir's
black?
tool? And let's take white. Make the opacity bigger, size 600.
Bigger size.
And I have to bigger.
안시더라도 겨울에 시즌 보자매.
Shift E and let's go. I'll pass it too much. Let's make it bigger, 700. Yes, like this. Opacity same, but size a little lower, like here. Now a little lower size again. Good enough. Now a little lower size and let's mark it. Okay, now it is much brighter. Okay, now we go to the filters. Blur, motion blur. 180 and 100. Good enough. Maybe one more time. Blur, motion blur. Okay, good enough. Now we go to the erasure mode and E. And let's make opacity a little bit lower and let's make it a little bit more like a little bit like this. Okay, export.
You okay? Are you how?
And now you fucking motherfucker.
Was ich wurde da?
Aerials, trails. Get your bitch out of here and now you get a better one. Trail and now you go to texture 2D. Missing texture, trail. And now we go to the fucking materials trail. Select trail. Yeah, much fucking better. So it was working. I'm just a dumbass.
عودي من مغازي الشباب.
No. And now, surprisingly, trail should be working. Still not working. Ah, because size. Wait. It's still not working.
Playing right. And we got a trail render in Unity. It's not perfect, but we can test it out. Right click, effects, trail, and the time could be 1. And now we simply need to drag and drop the material we created. And here we go. It's bright, which you may be wondering why.
How the fuck you did it, you motherfucker? Delete the trail. No fucking way. It kinda worked, but
Well, it's bright because we have this shader.
Where the fuck you got pink from? Oh, wait, diffusion profile. Yeah. პირიქით 65. მას კვაკრელა სასწრაფო.
ვინო ხარ მომიგის?
რა. ეტი რვა. Oh, it's 75.
What's your favorite thing
Good.
when you're broke? To do.
დოშირაკის ხილვა და კვერცხს. Sure. Okay, and now the trail. And holy fuck.
Wanna see me eating?
Yes, I was dreaming for it. And now, you piece of shit.
It's really bad for normal people to eat this.
What is this? Is that fucking... აუწყობელი საწებელი გაქვს?
ომატის ერთი და ხახუი.
ო, აუწყობელი საწებელი. Hello.
როგორ ხარ?
ხალხის მოსამზადებელი მაგ ლექცია და მეზარე. ბიჭო, ანუ შენს რო ესწრებოდე მე deep learning-ს, გაიფონდი იქნებოდა დავით რა. მოგონ მართლა და. ტყუილა არ დადიხარ იმ ლექციებზე რა. მართლა.
რა ლექციებია?
პირობით მაქვს ფასიანი კურსი deep learning-ის.
Deep learning AI-ში?
ჰა?
AI-ის deep learning-ზეა საუბარი?
კი.
Okay.
რა ხდება სტრიმზე ნიკა?
რა ხდება და ეს შეიდერები ვერ ამომუშავ.
იშველი დიმარა. ვერ ხველი.
მეც დავაშერებ ეკრანს. 4 ღილას სტრიმავ ჩემი, არ ამიფეთქეს ეს საწყალი. არ შვება. რატო?
ხათრით მუშაობს?
ანუ?
თვის წყალობით დადის შენი კომპიუტერი?
კი, სხვათა შორის. ცოცხალი როგორ არის, არ ვიცი. ყარი უნდა იყოს ამ მეიხარ.
დინა სტრიმზე რო გაგეთიშა პროსტა ჩარცვისას.
5 time. It's so fucking bullshit. Okay. No.
ოკეი.
ისმენ.
ერეკლე რომ Excel-ს მავსებინებს, ხო იცი?
ხო,
ანუ ვაფშე ყველა სტუდენტი უნდა შევავსო თუ მარტო ერთი ჯგუფი?
ანუ და ყველა ერთი ჯგუფი კი არ უნდა შეავსო, კომპიუტერ საინსის სტუდენტები უნდა შეავსო მაგ.
ანუ ჩემი საგნის ყველა?
შეგნის ყველა კომპიუტერ საინსის სტუდენტი, ვისაც აი კრიტერიუმი არის, ვისაც არანულოვანი ქულა აქვს რა. ვისაც არანულოვანი რა, ანუ ვინც წერა რა. შეიძლება 0 ქულა დაუწერე, მაგრამ ვინც წერა.
ვინც წერა?
ხო რა. მე ეკლეს ჯერ არ მოუწერია იმაზე შეთავაზებაზე. ისე პროჭისავით წელავს დროს და სპეციალურად. ავიდა დავით რა. გუშინ დააწყეთ ის ბოლოს და ბოლოს გააკეთე, რამე?
მე ვიწვალე და ვერ ავაწყე. ბევრი არა, მაგრამ მოხდები რა.
რა ვერ აწყე.
გაციფრულება რა. გაციფრულება კი არა და ვიზუალიზაცია რა. ნოტების. ლაიბრარები კარგად არ გამიჩეკია და.
მარტივი არ იქნება რა, ნოდარი რას ამბობს.
არ არის მარტივი არა. იმიტომ რომ ეხა ზოგან რაღაც პარამეტრი აკლია, ზოგან ისია და შესაბამისი ის უნდა რა. მირეკავენ უნდა დაგტოვოთ მოვა.
For example, if I take this guy and make it a little bit lower, resolve scale will be 5, for example. It is the same shit. Alpha threshold I don't care, resolve speed. Will it be lower? No. It is just faster.
Hola a todos, en este momento estoy afuera del Rainbow y el Roxy porque voy a tocar con mi banda por última vez en esta gira, el concierto número 45 y bueno, quiero agradecerles a todos por sus mensajes, por sus comentarios positivos durante la gira y...
It's good that it's not going even half true for it.
Esto es punk versus metal.
ვერაფერი ვერ გაუბია ამ შეიდერებს რა. game. You done already? No. Not even close. Not even close, Mr. Hanzo. Yeah, fuck this shit. So this is what I got. You're doing it. Yes, I'm doing. Because I don't know it. Because I don't know it. I never done it. That's why I'm doing it for so long. This is the result what I got. Yeah. Yeah, kind of. Kinda, Hanzo. It is because I made it little bit. So, wait, this doesn't look that bad. Wait, what if I'm gonna make 0.5? Okay, this looks much better now, look. This looks much better. But it is still not what I want. Okay, I have one last idea. One last idea what I have. If it also not gonna work, yeah, fuck it, I'm not doing it anymore. If it's also not gonna work, I'm not doing it anymore. Let's try to export. Replace it. Okay. We go to Unity. We go to fucking here. We go to here. We go to here. And let's check it out. It is not that bad, to be honest. Oh, wait. Where? Where? Yo, it is not bad, look. If you look closely, like... It is not that bad. It's actually quite good. So wait, Look. I mean, I think I'm affected because I like red and pink, so I like that one. Wow. Red and pink, come on, Hanzo. Oh goddamn. It is anyways not what I wanted, but it is much better than it was before. Yes, it's definitely better than it was before. And if I play with some alpha threshold, for example, I say it's 2. No, not 2, but 75. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it will be better. And if I say dissolve scale more, a little bit more. Then we have some good effect. Dissolve speed, let's make it 5. And also make 5. But it looks, I mean, yeah, it is much better than it was before. I mean, it is still not what I want. It is very small. Like, look, it is very small compared to player, but it is so much better. Yeah, it is so much fucking better than fucking white background. Yeah, it's wobbling too much. Yeah, oh, now better. Let's make 35. Let's make 25. Now it looks like it is fucking handmade. Wait. 15. Look, it kinda looks like it was handmade. Wait, maybe it makes it slower. Yeah, now look! It looks like it was handmade. It is much better. Look. And look. It is kinda like an ink. It gives you ink vibes. I can make it even lower. No, I think lower is not better. No, let's make it 20. Yeah, it kinda gives you the ink style. I think 25 was good, and let's make it a little bit slower. And maybe a little bit less this one. Because if I make this one big, it gives you like a fucking brush style. If I make it very low, for example, like, okay, let's make it 1. It is not good. It's just fucking collect 15. Much better. 25, I think it's the gold. Or 35. Yeah, look. I think 45. Yeah, look! Look, that's the effect which I wanted to get. A little bigger, but yeah. And even if I play a little bit with this, hold on. If I play a little bit with this, okay, let's make it slower, lower. It gives you like a fucking hand. It gives you some kind of ink style. What do you think, Hanzo? It gives you some kind of ink style. A55. Okay, 45. Good. 45 was good and let's make -1. Yeah, I kinda like it. Yeah, I kinda don't like it that it's making the fucking walls, but yeah, it's not perfect, but what you gonna do? Okay. For the prototype, for the demo, I think it's good. Good enough. You can literally visually see when it's moving that it is kinda ink styled. Okay, I'm happy with this. Let's just check it out. I think it will be saved. Or not. Yeah, it's saved. I have to save this one also. I change only this one. And this one, yeah. And let's make it. Maybe let's make it like this. What if I'm gonna make it like this? Doesn't look handmade, looks okay. Yeah, it is not the what I wanted to make exactly, but it is much better than it was before. Motherfucker. It definitely was. It is better than it was before. Okay, I think, yeah, I think I messed it up. Maybe like this? Yeah, something like this could work. Also, it is still too small, but it is kinda giving you vibes of the... Kinda, if you just try to look at it. It's too small to understand it, that's the... Yeah, now I fucked it up. Yeah, like this is much better. Yeah, now it looks like it looks better, doesn't it? It more like looks like a flame than a fucking ink style, but it could be improved. I kinda like it, and I want to just change the color of this to fully fucking black. So it will be fucking black. And when you move slowly, it is a little bit not good. So I will make 0.5 speed of textures, so... Even will be less than 5. Yeah. Yeah, it is definitely better than it was before. It is fucking definitely better than... Let me just put component. And now just paste the component. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. No. 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 Fuck it. Fuck it. Oh wait. Before I fuck it. Yeah. Ink style dark, yes, kinda. Will be improved. And now it's what I have done it like a not even halfway. But fuck it. And now we go to Valorant, and I will have some fun now. Before I go to Valorant, I'm gonna just rest a little bit, like 10 minutes. See ya!